I said that's probably very well today. Right now, any place but in here sounds like paradise.
I didn't realize it was that long.
Yeah.
He told me if I needed peace. So I just waited. I waited for you to feel it, to know the sense. But alas, nothing. I guess what they say about twins being connected, that profound, soulful, magical tie is just fantasy. The thing you dream about before you hunger wakes you up.
I hope it won't be too inconvenient if we stay with you for a few days.
Stay here.
I have lost all my money. I decided to get to hang out with you.
Sammy says it is.
Yes, Madison. Until yesterday, I had never explained hot Cheetos in a sandwich. Look, all new Thursday on Global.
I've lost Kate's location, so she must have turned off her phone. Sir?
I've been out here before. 15 years ago.
Sir, what's happening?
I know where they are. Hi, Kate. Me again. Fifth time now, actually. Still got that big showing with that big fire. Urgent. Real urgent. You should come to that ASAP. Hey, hey!
Maybe I should be the cameraman, you work.
Because I'm better.
Well, you are, I bet, at some stuff. A lot of stuff.
Because I have patience.
But you don't.
Not with talking.
You don't have patience with me?
That I can admit. Straightening you up. Giving you a nice little haircut. It's like cutting a hair.
Well, it's just fiber. It's just a little string all put together. It makes it flexible and strong.
Right here.
Like even if you make like body panels out of it, like when you hit something, it just bends and stuff. Yeah. It does break, but it still holds together. And it's lighter than steel, right?
Is this for your splitter?
Yeah. Well, I want to do my front fenders in the quarter panel like that.
Yeah.
So it's a lot lighter, and I can keep molding it if it breaks.
Yeah.
You know. And then just keep my original parts to keep making molds. So I don't want I want to keep the car original, but all fiberglass. You know, so it's all replaceable, and it looks stockish, but it's not. Because the car looks nice just like that.
Are you ready for medicine, Diablo? Want medicine soon?
Tell gonna sell by the time they think he wants to get nice. While I was at home playing club soccer. We need to find him.
We will.
We didn't find her.
times can I say I'm sorry for not listening to you?
I don't know. How many times will it take to get that back?
Sir, you're going to want to see this. Gotham is reeling over the death of prosecutor Angus Stanton, who was murdered horrifically tonight. Stanton was seen by many as a hero to Gotham, one who brought justice to the victims of some of the city's most notorious criminals, such as Jack Napier, otherwise known as the Joker.
Gentleman has a security camera footage. See, where?
It's an old-fashioned executioner's case. Like an old-fashioned.
Anybody want to tell me why every news outlet in Gotham had this and we didn't even get so much as a heads up from the GCPD?
Check the links outside just for friends.
And I believe it's because they called someone else. I'm not about to stand around and let Gotham cry out to be saved by someone who hides behind
Are you gonna sew it on?
the fact. Nothing more than a symbol of false hope. I want this so-called executioner cuffed and stuffed in a cell in Blackgate. If this city starts to think it can rely on vigilance...
Hard to imagine. Something so delicate harnessing enough power to penetrate the backseat. Well done, Dean.
Kate?
She knows I am.
Hey, that's great. Fantastic. So, naturally, you decided to drop her off at your sister's unlicensed clinic.
Mary will take care of her. She wants to keep it from leaving and punish it for her leash and help.
But she's a crow. Your father's second in command. You didn't convince her not to tell him.
I'll deal with that after you've dealt with the executioner. I'm going to figure out his